Nice Michael. Today so guys, I haven't told you guys about my 3D printer yet. And I have my 3D printer, and today I'm going to tell you guys about my favorite things I make from my 3D printer. So my first my 10 favorite things that I made for my 3D printer. First, I have this dragon. So look, it has, look at this. It has like a little dragon design. It moves. So like this, okay? And this is one of mine. And my 3D printer basically made like a little hook right there. And it makes it so I can move. So look, I can move around. And then another one is this. So if you've seen one of these, you know what it is. But if you haven't, I'll tell you. This is called an infinity cube. So you just keep on moving it, and it goes on for infinite. And it basically never ends. And yes, this is another one of these. Look. So they move, they play, they do all this stuff. Like this. Going for infinite. And look, it makes these little joints. If you don't know what a joint is it's basically this. A joint is basically this thing that like it makes it so you can move. And also the cool snake I saw you had a joint. And this is another thing. This is basically the same. It's one of the big lizard. This one, it's one of these, but this one is just smaller, but it still moves. It's cool. All of my friends at school want one of these. And also the legs move. Look. So this is the leg. It kind of moves back and forth. And that's it. And I told you that I'm gonna show you 10. So here is the fourth thing. It's the fourth. Look at it. It's a lizard. So have you seen that Pokemon? I forgot what it is, but have you seen that Pokemon that's like the snake that has like walks? That's what I'm talking about. And look, it's like the exact same. This is the fourth thing. The fifth thing is this. It's a little owl. You put it on a stand. It stands up. It's pretty cool. And by the way, all of these are 3D printed from my 3D printer. I told you about it. And then look, this is the little box. Oh yeah, this thing had a little like hook that hooks onto things, but it kind of broke off. I might show you the other ones. And that was the fifth thing. That was the fifth thing. Wait, no, that was the sixth thing. And then this is an octopus. Look, it also has joints. Look, it moves like that. And then this is a bunny. It's cool. It's a little bunny that stands. And it just hops around. And then there's also this jet. It's really fun. You get to hold on and fly it around, and it's really, really fun to play with. And then look, this is an egg. You might have seen your friend have one of these. And this is the last thing too. Look, it opens up. And look what sometimes I usually put the baby dragon in it. Look, it fits in. But then You close it up. And then it's like a little screw, and you just open it back up. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.